Are you feeling ignored by a girl you like? Here's what you need to do. Learn how to stand up for yourself. As a guy, it's important to earn respect and be a leader. Nowadays, many women have big egos. They expect special treatment just because they're attractive. But you need to help them see reality. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get her attention. 1. Feel confident. Always believe in yourself. Act like you're better than her. Show her you're not just impressed by looks. Make her work for your approval. This is important to bring her back to reality. Don't let her think she's the most important person. 2. Don't always compliment. Don't tell her she's amazing all the time. A confident guy doesn't need to flatter her all the time. Compliment her on things she's earned, not just her looks. And don't ask her to boost your ego. Be confident without needing her approval. 3. Focus on your goals. Don't drop everything for her. Have your own dreams and work hard for them. Don't be like other guys who give up everything for a girl. Show her you're different. Make your goals more important than just going on dates. 4. Stay calm. Don't let her control your emotions. If she's being unreasonable or disrespectful, walk away. Don't waste time arguing. This will show her you're strong and not easily swayed by her words. 5. Don't overdo texting. Don't keep texting her all the time. Give her space to wonder about you. Don't be too eager for her attention. Let her see that you're not desperate for her. 6. Have your own life. Don't always be available to her. Show her you have other things going on in your life. Don't let her think she's the center of your world. This will make her see you as valuable and not someone she can control. 7. Keep your options open. Don't focus only on her. Keep your eyes open to other girls. Show her you have choices. This will make her realize she needs to keep you interested. 8. Don't get jealous. Don't let other guys make you jealous. Stay confident in yourself. If she sees you're not bothered by other guys, she'll see you as more attractive. 9. Don't rush intimacy. Don't be too eager for physical intimacy. Let her see that you're not just after one thing. This will make her respect you more. 10. Find happiness on your own. Don't rely on her for your happiness. Focus on your own achievements and hobbies. This will make you more attractive to her. In conclusion, don't give up on yourself. Stay focused on your goals and don't let anyone, especially a girl, bring you down. Show her you're confident and independent. If you've learned something from this, let me know by commenting 100%. And for more helpful advice, check out the recommended video. If you like the video, then subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.